What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Diverse, man. You feel me? We back on another blessed day, you know what I mean? Just wanted to come at y'all with you know, a little word of encouragement, man, to tell y'all to keep pressing forward. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep a little buzz in your ear to tell you to keep going. You know what I'm saying? No matter the circumstances. We ain't worrying about the negativity this year. 2022. It's your time. It's your season to achieve everything that you've been working hard to have. Everything you've been working hard to achieve. It's your time to show the world what you made of. You know what I mean? So keep going, because you're right there. You know what I mean? I want to tell y'all to raise your vibration, man. We only surrounding ourselves with HQP. HQP. High quality people. The whole year, the whole rest of your life, rather. But the rest of this year, we only surrounding ourselves with high quality individuals. People that are purpose driven. People that are walking in their purpose. People that are achieving and being successful in the goals and dreams that they set before themselves. We're only surrounding ourselves with people that are motivating themselves, motivating others, speaking peace to others, speaking prosperity to others, speaking positivity to others. We only surrounding ourselves with positive individuals. We're not surrounding ourselves with people that's gossiping about other people's business, gossiping about who doing what, who not doing this, who doing that. We ain't doing none of that this year. We're not surrounding ourselves with negativity this year. We only surrounding ourselves with positive thinkers, strong thinkers, smart thinkers, smart investors, people that want something out of life, people that are progressing towards something in life, high quality people. You know what I mean? You really think they wanted your ass to keep going? You really think they wanted you to you really thought did you really think that they thought you would make it this damn far? Hell no. These people didn't think you would have made it. They didn't want you. They didn't want to see you make it. They really didn't. They didn't believe in you. They didn't see your potential. But you kept going though. You see what I'm saying? So that's the biggest part about this shit, is that you keep pushing, is that you keep persevering. Like, no matter what these haters saying, no matter what, people are always gonna have their own opinions of what you're doing on the outside. You know what I'm saying? They always gonna have their opinions of what you should do. And when you're not going in their direction, then they turn their back on you. They ghost you or whatever. But all I want to tell you is to just stay on your path. They didn't believe in you. They wanted you to still be. They thought you was still gonna be that cat on the couch. They thought you was still gonna be that cat, needing somewhere to stay, needing somewhere to sleep. They thought you was always gonna be someone that wasn't awake to financial wealth, financial literacy, broadening your scope on life. They wanted you to stay in that box. They didn't think that you would grow. They didn't think that you would maintain and keep persevering and just continue to pull yourself by the bootstraps and get up every day and keep pushing yourself towards your goals. They didn't expect that. They wanted you to still be the person that didn't finish. Oh, you talking about the person that didn't finish college? You talking about that person? You talking about the person that needed a ride from me to go up to the store? You talking about that person? You talking about the person that was standing outside the corner store, trying to sell his little whatever, trying to get some money from me, begging for money? You talking about that person? They didn't believe in y'all, man. They didn't believe in you. They never believed in you. They want you to be the same person begging and needing them and wanting them for stuff, but you wasn't meant to be that type of person. God didn't have that set out for you. He knew he had something stronger that you had to do. He knew that you was purpose driven. Purpose. Life is about purpose. Life is about purpose. What are you, for example, Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, when they were here, they had a purpose. They were purpose driven. You think God give you all this time to sit around and play around with it? Time is more important than money. Go ask them niggas in jail what would they rather have, money or their time or their freedom. The freedom for their time back. Go ask them niggas what they'll do, what they'll ask for. I bet you every last one of them niggas in them damn cell would say they want their goddamn time back. So you think God give you time to sit around and play around and juggle with this shit? No. That's why when you look at Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, that was purpose driven. In that short span of time in their lives, they got taken out. They died in their 30s, I believe. So they were purpose driven, and they fulfilled their purpose in enough time in those time frames, because back then it was harder for us as black people back then. So you can imagine the pressure that was on them. You can imagine the heat that was on them. You can imagine the pressure of racism at that time, and it was at its height. And they still had to get up, keep pushing, persevering, getting their word, getting their message out there. And now look at them today. Every street in the United States is damn near named after Martin Luther King. Hoods named after Malcolm X. You know what I'm saying? Streets, days. They have their own days and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, purpose. You got to be purpose driven. We got to surround ourselves with purpose driven people. People that have a purpose, have a zeal in life. People that want something out of life. People that don't want no negativity around them. People that are always focused on being responsible, being respectable, having integrity, having morality. People that are leveling up at a fast rate. You want to be around those people so you can pick up off their vibration, off their frequency. I'm going to get this run in. I ain't going to talk y'all head off. This message for the day is about surrounding ourselves with HQP, man. Shout out to Pushman Mitch. I learned that concept from him. Y'all should go check out his channel, subscribe, man. That brother's doing outstanding work. You know what I mean? So make sure you guys go check that out. Pushman Mitch on YouTube. Check me out too. Subscribe to my channel. HQP, man, high quality people. Surround yourself with purpose-driven individuals that want something out of life, y'all. We got to move forward. We got to stop playing. You feel me? We ain't got time to be playing around. You know what I'm saying? Lollygagging around. Purpose-driven. It's time out for that bullshit. It's time out for letting other people get pieces and bits of your energy. Giving people, I want to say the opportunity to manipulate you or control you or push you into their kind of way of moving or push you into their way of things. You know what I'm saying? Stick to what you want to do. Stick to your gun. Stick to what you want to do. If your mind and your heart, your spirit telling you don't do something, don't do that shit. Don't let nobody else dictate your day. Don't let nobody else dictate your mood. You know what I'm saying? Stay high quality. Stay high vibrational. High vibrational. Stay up here, not down here. You know what I'm saying? Let them haters have that energy. They gonna be mad when you making progress. What you thought? It was gonna be sweet, everybody was gonna love you, it was gonna be cool? Nah, that's when the people become the most fake. When you come up, when you start doing a little better for yourself, that's why you really gotta watch yourself. Smarten up out here. The world we live in is not peaches and cream and glory and all that, you know what I'm saying? Nah, it's real hard knock life. You know what I'm saying? You can be here today and God forbid you can be gone tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But what I mean to say is that's why you got to be out here every day fulfilling your purpose, giving a message to somebody, helping somebody, push somebody to the next level. You know what I'm saying? We all in this fight together. You know how many businesses and stuff was ruined after COVID? You know how many businesses and opportunities were ruined because of the COVID virus? These people still trying to recuperate from that type of shit. These people still out here trying to get their lives back after that situation. You know what I'm saying? But it is so. We shall keep going. We shall succeed. We are all creators, born creators. And we're all gonna get through this together. You know what I'm saying? If we stick together, we stop all the hatred towards each other. We gotta start building up each other, you know what I'm saying? Helping each other with those businesses, those goals, those ideas that we have. We gotta start helping each other with that, with those things. Helping each other, you know what I'm saying? Pull each other up instead of breaking each other down and hating on one another. That's not gonna get anybody anywhere. And what you put out into the universe, you know, is definitely gonna come back. So I say that to say much love. God bless y'all. Peace and love. I'll be getting back with y'all soon. 1,000 out.